Hey guys, Ben Finley here at MarineMax in Panama City Beach. Today we're standing next to this 2024 Premier 230 Solaris. Optioned out with the white and the blue on the sides, make it look great on the water, as well with our tri-tune and the PTX version, giving this boat a great ride and stable on the water. Notice here with stainless steel, where our docking lights and navigation lights are recessed. Stepping here towards the back, you'll see our straight down the side to keep you dry, and as well as our option as well, Mercury 300 V8, giving this boat a great cruising speed overall. And our illuminated plexiglass on the ski pylon give it a great accent. Let's step up inside and take a look at the inside of the boat. Hey guys, now we're here on the bow of the Premier 230 Solaris. Notice our clear see-through door making docking a breeze, as well as our two loungers with wireless chargers on each side, and then storage under every seat. You see here, even in the back, with plastic storage, making it easy to clean. Ski locker in the deck here, making all your big items on the boat easy to get in and out. Come back here to the helm. Notice it's raised, giving the captain a clear point of view. As I sit down here, have my two Simrad multifunction displays, JL head unit, and of course, my Mercury digital control with all my settings. Illumination all through the boat, controlled right here at your fingertips. As I come up, your second helm chair here, cup holders, and then here towards the back lounge, whereas both of these can be moved so you can lounge forward or aft of the boat. As where I'll section this one, slide that down. Now I have a huge lounger facing aft, fit 3 or 4 adults very comfortably. Just back up real quick, and another one here as well. Wireless phone charger, keep everybody charged up, happy throughout the day. Like I said again, my name is Ben Finley here at MarineMax in Panama City Beach. Give us a call today to come take a look at this Premier 230 Solaris.